Good morning, my name is Rod Pand. I'm the chairman of the Kevinson Court Residents Society, and I have been working with Sam and his father for the last 20 years tending these gardens. Over the last 5 years we've been upgrading and developing the gardens, and this is the result. And also we have had a watering system installed at the behest of Sam, and this made a tremendous difference to the gardens. And all I can say is the gardens are now magnificent. I would have no hesitation in recommending BST services to anybody, because the way they have kept these gardens here is magnificent.
I'm Sam, I'm Senior Partner of BST Grounds Care. BST Grounds Care is a family-run business and we have been in operation for over 50 years now. The services we offer include full garden and grounds maintenance, summer and winter bedding arrangements, soft landscaping, lawn care, herbicide application and weed management, patio and balcony planting presentations. Give us a call to discuss your requirements and we'll see what our team can do for you.